Blood pressure monitors are essential medical devices designed to measure the force of blood against the walls of arteries as the heart pumps it through the body. These monitors provide crucial insights into an individual's cardiovascular health, helping to diagnose conditions like hypertension and hypotension. Typically composed of an inflatable cuff and a digital display, these monitors come in various types, including manual and automatic models. Manual blood pressure monitors involve wrapping the cuff around the upper arm and using a stethoscope to listen for the sounds of blood flow while slowly releasing air from the cuff. Automatic monitors, on the other hand, are user-friendly and automated, requiring only the press of a button. They inflate the cuff, detect blood pressure electronically, and display the readings digitally. Blood pressure monitors are vital for managing and preventing heart-related issues, allowing individuals to track their blood pressure conveniently at home or under medical supervision. Regular monitoring empowers individuals to make informed lifestyle choices and seek medical attention when needed, contributing to better overall cardiovascular well-being. Greetings! Explore our platform dedicated to providing captivating insights about blood pressure monitors, coupled with in-depth reviews of top-tier choices. Stay well informed through thorough assessments that highlight the most outstanding selections available in the market. Rgdood Store, an exceptional brand, has impressively secured the 5th position within our rankings, underscoring the meticulousness of our evaluation process. For precise results, it's imperative to refer to the product video, user manual, or instructions on the packaging. Deviating from the prescribed procedure might lead to varying results or inaccurate readings, whether too high or too low. The wrist blood pressure monitor offers user-friendly operation without the need for special coding. Nonetheless, since it lacks a date and time display, maintaining a manual record of your blood pressure readings with timestamps becomes necessary. This particular blood pressure monitor boasts a rechargeable feature, complete with an HD LED display, voice broadcasts, and memory capabilities. Not only can you monitor your heart rate, but you can also track your blood pressure history using the memory function. Additional comprehensive details and guidance can be found in the user manual provided below the listing. The wrist BP cuff offers exceptional functionality, accommodating usage by 2 distinct users and storing up to 99 readings for each. With its built-in lithium battery, the need for battery replacements is eliminated, as the wrist monitor can be conveniently recharged. To conserve energy, the monitor automatically powers down after 60 seconds of inactivity. The adjustable wrist strap accommodates wrist sizes ranging from 13.5 centimeters to 19.5 centimeters, ensuring suitability for a wide range of individuals. Claiming a well-deserved 4th position on our esteemed blood pressure monitor list is Braun, a brand that truly lives up to its name. The Braun ExactFit 3 upper arm blood pressure monitor offers a level of accuracy that aligns with internationally recognized guidelines acknowledged by the FDA, empowering you to take charge of your cardiovascular well-being. Featuring an XL backlit display, this blood pressure monitor ensures easy reading and comprehension, employing color-coded guidance based on the hypertension standards set forth by the American Heart Association. In the realm of home blood pressure monitors, speed, convenience, and precision are paramount. Braun's blood pressure machine excels in these aspects, boasting rapid operation, user-friendly simplicity, and gentle inflation for optimal comfort during readings. This home blood pressure monitor comes equipped with 2 cuff sizes, enhancing accuracy, and accommodating 2 separate users with a memory capacity of 40 readings per user. Additionally, it offers the valuable feature of averaging the last 3 measurements. Braun's blood pressure monitors are masterfully crafted with intelligent technology embedded within. They stand as a testament to clinical accuracy, reflecting the brand's commitment to the well-being of your heart and the significance of your efforts in its care. Your heart matters, and the manner in which you safeguard it holds equal importance, a philosophy embraced by Braun's meticulously engineered blood pressure monitors. Securing a prestigious third spot in our range of blood pressure monitors is the remarkable ALPHAGOMED, a brand celebrated for its outstanding performance. Ensure consistency by taking measurements at the same time of day. Refrain from activities like exercise, bathing, eating, smoking, or consuming alcohol or caffeinated drinks for at least 30 minutes before measurement. Ideally, allow yourself 15 minutes of rest prior. Your readings are conveniently stored in the blood pressure monitor, ready for sharing with your healthcare professional. Blood pressure is subject to constant fluctuations influenced by factors like stress, time of day, and cuff application technique. Acknowledging this, we recommend conducting 3 measurements to obtain an average reading, ensuring accuracy. The 3.55-inch LCD display guarantees comfortable readability of blood pressure data. Designed to cater to multi-generational needs, this monitor can assist in monitoring the blood pressure of grandparents, with a memory capacity of 180 readings over a 3-month period. The monitor boasts advanced accuracy in capturing data, providing insights into daily physiological conditions. Detected heartbeats are visibly displayed on the screen, and the backlight feature enhances visibility in low-light settings, ensuring convenience even in dimly lit environments. ALPHAGOMED's blood pressure monitor stands as a testament to their commitment to excellence, offering features that prioritize usability and precision for a comprehensive monitoring experience. Taking an impressive second place in our esteemed top selection, PARAMED presents an exceptional blood pressure monitor that stands out with innovative attributes, setting it apart from competitors. The wrist blood pressure monitor offers the flexibility of usage anytime, anywhere, ensuring convenience, accuracy, and ease in health monitoring for timely interventions. Achieving clear and precise data is effortless with our automatic blood pressure device, activated by a single button press. PARAMED is synonymous with quality and user-friendly design. Tailored for individuals requiring frequent blood pressure assessments, this monitor is a practical solution for on-the-go monitoring, accompanied by a storage case for added portability. Particularly beneficial for those uncomfortable with traditional upper arm cuffs, the universal cuff length ranges from 13.5 centimeters to 19.5 centimeters, ensuring a snug fit for accurate measurements. Notably, this wrist monitor also gauges heart rate, enhancing the user's understanding of their health status. The monitor comes equipped with batteries for immediate use, though it's essential to note that it's not rechargeable. A low battery indicator alerts users to replace batteries when needed for optimal device performance. The generously sized screen enhances user experience by displaying time, date, measurements, and intuitive icons, streamlining interaction with the device. PARAMED's blood pressure monitor encapsulates the brand's commitment to both precision and user-centric design, making health monitoring straightforward, insightful, and adaptable to diverse lifestyles. Securing the pinnacle position in our lineup, iHealth shines as an unparalleled leader in the domain of blood pressure monitors. With its upper arm blood pressure monitoring device, reading results is effortless, courtesy of the prominently displayed oversized numbers. The operation is user-friendly with just 2 buttons, ensuring ease and efficiency. The device boasts advanced accuracy, eliminating the need for calibration. Remarkably, iHealth empowers users to manage and monitor their health proactively by storing up to 99 readings on the blood pressure monitor itself, while the complementary iOS and Android applications offer unlimited storage on your smartphone. This integration enhances the convenience of tracking your readings and progress seamlessly. A distinguishing feature of this unit is its automatic identification and alert system for heart rhythm disturbances. Should any irregularities be detected, a warning symbol promptly appears following the measurement. This capability adds an extra layer of vigilance to your health monitoring routine. iHealth's blood pressure monitor sets an exceptional standard by combining user-friendliness, accuracy, and innovative features. As a trailblazer in the field, iHealth's commitment to advancing health monitoring is evident in their top-tier device, solidifying its position as the ultimate choice for individuals seeking reliable, comprehensive, and technologically advanced blood pressure monitoring solutions. Your crucial input regarding blood pressure monitors is essential for our continuous enhancement. We deeply value your participation, input, and support as we aim for progress. Thank you for being a pivotal part of our journey towards betterment.